This is a summary of the new features and enhancements in Autodesk Revit 2020.2. In the platform, you can expose the internal origin of Revit models. This is upgrades in Dynamo 2.3. You got view navigation, keyboard control as well. Freeze header and schedules, highlight active row and schedules. And in architecture, you can enhance the path of travel by add and editing waypoints. You have full path for BIM 360 links. In MEP, you have edit circuit panel properties with panel schedule view, and for structural, you have Dynamo nodes for steel connections that read analysis results, and Dynamo nodes that load steel connections from libraries. This new feature is called Expose the Internal Origin of Revit Models and allows you to turn on the visibility of the internal origin in Revit. This will improve the ability to learn about and immediately visualize and understand the Revit coordinate system. Exposing this point means that it will be easier for you to coordinate and collaborate with consultants. This feature will allow visibility into the underlying coordinate system in Revit and allow for collaboration and efficiency. There are many new features packed into the Dynamo 2.3 release. For geometry enhancements, the new surface Boolean node allows you to perform union and difference operations on surfaces with enhanced speed. For file management enhancements, Dynamo will now prevent packages that contain custom nodes from loading if they are already loaded from another package, thus mitigating overwrite issues. And Dynamo will allow you to understand what packages the graph contains, or if they are missing. A handy sidebar will even let you know when you have missing packages. The new Fly Mode features lets you explore your model in a perspective view, travel through your model, change direction, look around and move up and down with keyboard shortcuts. To start with Fly Mode, just press the button, which looks like a paper airplane, on the navigation bar on the right of the screen. You can also hold down the right mouse button to enter the mode. You will see the mouse cursor change and you can use the mouse to look throughout the model. Use the middle mouse scroll while using the wheel to adjust the speed with which you move in Fly Mode and keep track of the current speed in the status bar. When you have a large schedule with lots of rows, you may want to keep the header information always visible on top of your schedule. The freeze header button available in the ribbon freezes the main header and column headers in place so they are always visible while you scroll through a large schedule. When you select a row in a schedule, the entire row is automatically highlighted in the light blue colour. This makes clear which row is active and helps you keep from getting lost in large schedules. This feature is called Path of Travel, Add and Edit Waypoints, and improves upon the ability to edit path and travel lines, such that the path is adjustable after initial placement. During early stage design, when requirements, budget and client needs are changing rapidly, it is important to be able to adjust the start point to snap to the corner of a room, or to adjust the end point so it goes through the centre of a doorway. This new feature, custom changes to path and travel lines, are easy to make and update corresponding BIM data. In Manage Links, the link dialog now shows the full mode with path name. When looking at items linked in from BIM 360, you will now see the full path. Now it's easy to tell you if you are live linking or consuming a model, as the full path will show you. Under Electrical, this feature creates contextual awareness of the element properties within the panel schedule view, even if the data is not part of the schedule template. This feature will provide a convenient workflow for modifying element properties throughout the panel schedule, viewing for design efficiency and eliminating navigation to other views. Under Structure, you can now look for scripts that can filter and select connection types based on structural analysis results within Dynamo. The new version of the Autodesk Steel Connections Dynamo package introduces the ability to read structural analysis results either from the native Revit analytical model or the data stored in the Results Manager, which can be imported from other applications such as Robot Structural Analysis Professional. This new capability lets you filter steel connections by structural analysis results. Ever want a Dynamo script that could load steel connections from your Revit libraries? Maybe you want to evaluate steel connections from a previous project. This new functionality is provided by dedicated nodes that use as input the path for a Revit file, from which they can load a connection type specified during the script configuration.